Welcome to Daily Bible. I am Femi Olanrewaju Daniel. Psalm 125 verse 1 is our focus today. They that trust in the Lord shall be as Mount Zion, which cannot be removed, but abideth forever. Hallelujah. Do you want to remain relevant for a long time? Trust in the Lord. Do you want to have guaranteed security? Trust in the Lord. Do you want to be undefeated? Trust in the Lord. Sincerely, life can't be lived alone. You must have a backup. The men of the world run to the devil, but the potency of satanic backing doesn't last forever, coupled with the consequences of what it brings to the table. Some trust in chariots, some in horses, but will remember the name of the Lord. Pharaoh, in spite of the size of his chariot and horses, perished in the Red Sea. Be rest assured, your absolute trust in the Lord will not fail you. God bless.